Okay, I'm in a shopping mall that's really intense. And look, there's a piano. Like, what the hell? Like, what is that? Nice piano, right? I'm in a shopping mall. Oh my god. How insane. Look at all these lovely, gorgeous flowers. They're so pretty. Look at this. This is one of the nicest stores I've ever been to. Like, this is just a Provigo. How beautiful. Look at this. The style, nice. So pretty. Look at this. I'm gonna pick something for my mum's birthday. Nice, right? Oh my god, look. Cupcake heaven. Take your pick. What should I get for my mum's birthday cake? My god. Nice. I love the setup here. You can't miss anything. It's hilarious. Oh my god, look. Products naturel right in my face. Cake and flowers. Yeah, yeah, so I'm back and I'm about to go upstairs because my mum invited over a pastor and his wife. It's her birthday and yeah, I look so tired. Okay, so I went to Papyrus and I got my mom this keychain, worry less, pray more, because she's religious. Okay. And so that's really pretty. Flowers. Oh my god, I'm so bad at opening flowers. I have to hold the camera in my other hand at the same time. Yeah, I'm the worst. Time to see the flowers. Look at this. I think they survived the trip. Time to show Mum. I'm going to show Dad how it's done. This is what this is about. Hi, baby. Hello, you're so cute. Oh, yes, you're so cutie. You're so pretty. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, yes, hello. You're so friendly. Adventurous. Where are you? Adventures with the degus. It's called a nail. Come here, I want to give you a kiss. Come, I want to give you a kiss. Pumpkin seed. Oh, yes. Pumpkin seeds are always good. Clearly. Those. Now we can get really close and show everyone how cute you are. Look at this pretty, pretty shows. Oh yes. Bougie, bougie. Pretty showsy. Hi, hi, beauty queen. Beauty queen, come. I will convince you you are a beauty queen. Where are you? Come, come, come. Come, come. Come be beauty queen with me. No?
We're not used to being. That's weird though, the videos on it.
What is that noise in the background right now? Is that like Mum?
I don't know, it's coming from the TV room.
Right. I think they like you more than me.
It's just that you have the wheel.
Yeah, probably just because you have the wheel.
They're getting happy.
I know. But yeah, I have YouTube capture and I have to keep my finger down, so it's really awkward to do videos.
But it's like,
My videos are crap.
mine are deranged.
Yeah, mine too.
Not as deranged as this one.
What the heck? They were both in the wheel. They're so cute. Look how brave they are. Talk about comfy.
Can you close the door?
It's like, let me in. Let me in. He's like, now I'm in. Okay, go this way. And the other one's left.